pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. Now my makeup is already done. Slay, as per usual. We are gonna get into this hair review, so let's go. Now this is what the hair comes in, so we're gonna go in the package. I like this bag because you can literally store so many stuff. If you're traveling, you can put back your wig in it, and you can bring a lot of stuff in it as well. And I can use it as a makeup bag. Alright, let's see what's inside. Okay. Yeah, this bag is giving. I like it. Love it. We always get extra wig caps. This is the bag, and we're gonna go in and see the beautiful hair. Now all these hair companies are standing out with the color that they chose to represent their brand, which is amazing. I guess it's a mistake because I get 2 sets, so I have more than enough. Well, and they have the edge band inside, so we have wig cap, some nails, and the edge band, of course. Now this is the wig, and this is a 5x5 closure wig. Yeah, 24 inches. Let's go in. It's definitely a curly wig, so I'm impressed with that. The wig is secure. I cannot wait. The curls seem like a deep way to see. Okay, 5x5. So this is for the girls who want to do their own hair. The curls are defined, of course, and you know, you stretch it to get the true length. It also have a adjustable band, and you guys know by now, this is my favorite thing with wigs. I love a comb at the back just to have it snug on my head back. Perfect. And HD lace, pre-bleach. Yes, they did that for us, which is amazing. They also pre-cut the lace. That's also amazing, and the lace is beautiful. Let me show you guys. I like to put the lace on my skin. There we go. And then I like to go in, you know, just to kind of give it that more natural look with my powder. So that's the first thing that we're about to do. I'm definitely going to cut off the rigid end on the lace. I personally cut it off, so you don't have to. It still works, okay? The best trick to a closure wig, always have a bottle of mousse and put it down tight down, and it's gonna melt into your skin. That's the best trick. That's beginner friendly. So if you have a person who don't understand how to apply your wig, I guarantee you, once you put that wig on, add some mousse, baby girl, get you a bottle of mousse and you will be good. So we're adding the makeup to the lace, and I actually use the color that I used to contour. Not a lot, just adding it more so at the front. So we're gonna cut off the rigid ends, and I'll be back to show you guys how I'm gonna install it. I do not do nothing to my hair. I basically leave it like this. Put on the wig cap, the HD cap that they give us, and voila. Once the lace is good, you're fine, okay? Alright, let's put on this wig cap and see how the wig fits. I love the curl. I cannot wait to brush this out and re-curl it. And this is how it looks. So I don't know how I want to style this wig, to be honest. I'm gonna try and see. Should I make 2 corners right here? I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do this wig for sure. I might give it a different style because I'm always doing the same thing with all the wigs, so we just might do something different. But I'm gonna brush out the curls. Let me tell you how this feels amazing. And before we add anything, this is how the lace look. The only thing I would do is right here. You see that part? And then I'm gonna do it to this part. You don't have to do a lot of plucking, and I've realized that I don't have to pluck my wigs that much anymore. So that's all I did. See? All right, we're gonna see how we are gonna do this here. I'm definitely gonna brush out the curls. Let's do that with our fingers first and see. We're gonna add mousse to it, spray it down, and let it dry. But I love the curls. You don't have to spray this down. You can make it glueless, and that's what we're gonna do with this one. You see that? Just run your fingers through the hair for now, and then before you wet it down. Some people like the poofy look. You can definitely do that as well.
Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Get on the sea. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Alright guys, this is what the lace is looking like. We are gonna spray down the hair, wet it down, and then that's it. Really simple, really easy. I'm adding mousse, and then I'm gonna add some water, and that's all it needs. I'm doing this side first. I have a spray bottle right here. Then we're gonna let that self dry for a couple of minutes, and that's it. This part is really easy. Nothing special, okay? And then a trick with the mousse is I like to add it back wherever I use the hot comb, just to give it that natural look. I feel like it go into the hair and give it that natural look. So now we're gonna I don't have the right brush, you know. Well, it don't have a handle, so it's very, you know, when you're not used to using something like this. Hair feels so good. I don't think I'm gonna wet this one all the way down because I don't want it to be too wet. So let's spray some water around the back because there's none around there. I'm not gonna make it too wet, so that way it's easier to dry and it have a more afro look to it. So once you brush the hair, you get the true length. So it's not gonna be that short anymore. And I love the curl pattern. It's beautiful. So this is what we have. bust down. This part that is in my face, just spray some, not spray, but add some mousse to it, and that will dry. I'm gonna do the next side and I'll be back. Oh, girl, you see the difference? Always wet the hair, guys. Don't be lazy when you get the wigs, because you're gonna get the true beauty from the hair when you wet it down. This is gonna get dry now, but it's not gonna look like this. So you know the hair goes through a process when they make them, so you have to finesse the hair. All right, let me do this side and I'll be back. All right, guys, this is the final look. Hold on. This is the final look of the wig, and this is how it is. It is 24 inches, 5x5 lace, 180 density, okay? I love the curl. This is the first time I'm adding braids to any wig. For a closure wig, tell me, I did everything right, you know, and you guys don't really like the baby hair, so I just did a little something just to kind of make it look like it's coming from my scalp, but the ear texture is perfect. I added mousse to it. All you got to do is finesse your hair, and because I wanted my curls to be on one length, when I was brushing the hair, I do it like that. So you can do whatever you want, and then we'll stretch it, so we can give it the stretch length after, like this. Now this is it. Everything will be in the description, so make sure you guys check it. Thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. Absolutely love this 5x5, and it is vacation friendly, fall friendly, whatever season you're in, it's that friendly, okay? Look at that lace for a closure. Take a close look, and it's coming from my scalp. I did the cornrows and just a braid in it. It's not even showing, but it's real cute. Let me show you guys. This is how it looks around the back. The hair is perfect, and I love it. So thanks to Beauty Forever Hair. Everything will be in the description, so make sure you guys check it, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the cute part. You ready? I know you're ready.
You don't know what I done. Can't be without it, I keep it stiff for the wall. Checks out deposit, money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me, nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot and trust you. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that, sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to roll with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house for. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Call me with a deuce 5, mama keep my ass bro. Break yourself, leave his brains on the dance floor. I'm with Sid and Lil